Story 33. A Padshah asked a hermit, "How spendest thou thy precious time?" He replied, "I am all night engaged in prayer, during the morning in supplications, and the rest of the day in restricting my expenses." Then the king ordered a sufficient allowance be allotted to him, so as to relieve him of the cares of his family. O thou who art encumbered with a family, think no more of ever enjoining freedom. Cares for children, raiment, and food restrain thee from the heavenly kingdom. Every day I renew my determination to wait upon God until the night. In the night, while tying the knot of prayer, I think what my children will eat on the morrow. Well, in some cultures, they would tie and untie knots as part of their rituals, but Islamically, that's not it. But so what is the meaning there? The prayer is a security, but it's a security that's a prince that goes over the principles for living, and some of these involve your livelihood, right? So spiritual consciousness with that, but certainly you don't do this foolish thing where, oh, you never pray or anything like that until your physical needs are all all in perfect order and all that other stuff, and then you're psychological, and then finally no, you kind of bring in the spiritual while you're doing the other.